Hi guys, so this is my fifth university countdown video, and today is day 3. So I am moving away on Thursday, and today is Monday, and today was going to be packing a box day, but unfortunately my cousin and I are going to see a movie, and she's waiting for me in town, so I need to head in and meet her, and I won't be able to do a video today. This is the only video that will be up for the day, just me apologizing and telling you that I'll see you tomorrow for college thoughts. I will perhaps feature some packing as well, because I have still got a few things to pack left, since I won't be doing that today. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm so sorry there's not going to be a packing video today. If you were expecting one, then I'm really sorry. So I'll see you tomorrow. Love to you all. Bye.